So here you'll see I've just added one line of code to the program here, and I've declared a new length object, len5, length 5, and I've assigned it the value of length 3. Now it kind of looks just like the assignment operator that we saw down here, but it's a little bit different because it declares a variable and it assigns it an initial value. And this certainly works, and you can see down here I'm going to display length 5, and so length 4 should be the same as length 3 because of this assignment statement, and 5 should be the same as 3 because of this statement. So when I run this, lengths 3, 4, and 5 are the same. Okay, I just commented out these two lines of code just so I can demonstrate this better. So this type of statement, although it is an assignment, what happens is when an object is created and it's initialized with the data from another object of the same class, it calls a special function called a copy constructor. And we don't have to worry too much about copy constructors because it can create its own copy constructor and figure out what to do. The statement highlighted is calling a copy constructor. Sometimes the syntax for a copy constructor can also look like this: declare length 5 and just send in length 3. That'll do the same exact thing. But a copy constructor works automatically. And there's other times it gets called when you have value parameters, because when you pass a value parameter it makes a copy of the parameter. When you have return statements and it returns a value, it calls the copy constructor. So we don't have to be too concerned with copy constructors at this time. I just wanted to introduce them a little bit. When you get more involved in programming and you do begin to work with pointers and memory allocation, you will be required to write your own copy constructor. But at this point in time, with relatively simple classes, we don't need to worry too much about it. And again, they're just special constructors, and they just, make a copy of an object. That's all they do.